Sunday afternoon it is, people. We're out today with BR Rides. He's got his MT-03 with that beautiful sounding CP3 engine. I'll insert a clip here of him doing the national speed limit. It is a thing of beauty. I think he's got a Leo Vincent exhaust on it, really nice 45-degree slash cut exhaust. And it sounds beautiful. It's not too obnoxious on idle, not at all by any stretch of the imagination. And but when it's flying past you, oh my word, you can hear that CP3 sing. Today we've had a breakfast already at CTL Motorsports. It's a biker heaven. If you've never been, I suggest you go there. You can eat full English, look at motorbikes, even buy a motorbike if you're in the market for one. So yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful place. And now we're going to Broadway because they've got some motor show on. Yesterday it was exotic cars, we missed that one. Today it's classic cars, so we'll see what the day holds. We're going to go through Fish Hill, a well-known biker spot. It's got a bit of a bad rep currently, a lot of anti-social behaviour going on there, supposedly. I mean, this is up for debate, isn't it? What is antisocial behaviour? A lot of the local residents are complaining of the noise because bikers go up and down the hill all day because it is a beautiful, beautiful hill. Wasted on people like me that can't lean their bike over, but nonetheless, it's nice to ride up and down. So, you know, you can argue the toss either side, couldn't you? I'm sure if you're a local resident. If I was a local resident, I would love it. Hearing bikes go up and down the road all day. But I'm sure that novelty wears off, especially with 125s with no baffles in their exhaust. So, you know, I get it from both angles. Anyway, I'll catch you when some action happens. No chance. Absolutely zero chance. The sun's starting to come out now at least. The clouds have dispersed a little. We're nearing Porton on the Water, I think, is what we're going to hit first. And then it'll be Stow on the Wold through to Fish Hill. And then eventually Broadway. Get to see some classic cars, maybe some E-Type Jags, I would imagine. Saw the clientele that's going to be there, I bet. Well, that Mini pulled out in front of us, so now we're filtering to get away from it. And also beat all the traffic, because this is very heavily trafficked. Oh yeah, thank yous all around. Need to get out of first. Oh, hello, Ferrari. We'll let you in, I guess. And that plate's probably worth more than my car. So this is Stow on the Wold. We've already passed Porton on the Water. We sort of diverted past it. We didn't actually go through it. This is Stow on the Wold. Very pretty Cotswold village, I guess. I don't know if it's left here or the next set of lights.
Is this the way traffic would be?
Sort of.
Yeah.
I think you go that way more.
Right, okay.
I could be wrong. I normally am. No. Not left at that, I don't think. Broadway, yes. You stay there, sir. Stay there. Got it right. Get in! Look at all this traffic, people. Oh, this sucks, doesn't it? At least they're going the other way. Wow, look at these. This is... Wow. There's no way that's a house. There's some money in this part of the country. Well, where we're going, Broadway, is where the money is, people. Don't know if any of you have ever played Forza Horizon 5, I think it was. Which one was the one that was set in England? It was either 4 or 5. There was a part of the map, quite a long sort of straight cobblestone bit that's based off of Broadway. Oh, look at this Yaris GR. These are nice. These are very expensive though for what they are. Little 3-pot with a turbo. Don't know, let me know if anyone down in the comments has a Yaris GR. Let me know if they're worth it. Right, we should be approaching Fish Hill at some point. I've never ever come to Fish Hill this way, so it'll be a new way for me. I think it's literally just down this road though, no more turnings or anything. So we'll soon find out. I'll catch you when we're at Fish Hill. Right people, this is Fish Hill. As you can see, many a biker about. It is beautiful, isn't it? I mean, look at this. This is like some road in the Alps, almost. I'm sure BR will be trying to get his knee down it. Yeah, hanging off the bike. We'll go down the bottom, do a little UE. I'll do a little follow cam if I can keep up with him. Then we'll stop off at the top and discuss. When you come back up? Yeah.
There's all left, isn't it?
Yeah.
So close.
It's annoying there's nowhere to stop.
We go down there and we go to that parking.
Go back down and then to the car. Yeah. Right. Oh my word. Right, we've survived Fish Hill, just about. Now we're making our way to Broadway. Very picturesque, quintessentially British countryside village, town. And today they have a classic car meet on. Like I said earlier in the video, yesterday was the exotic car meet. Missed out on that one. Today's the classics. Wow, look how busy it is, everyone. Ooh, lovely Clio there. Another Escort. Oh yeah, I think we picked the right day to come out on, don't you? Oh, there is an exotic car here. Look at that, Lamborghini. Lamborghini. Oh yeah, beautiful stuff. I'm just going to shut up and let you take this all in. I think that's probably the best way of doing it. Oh, beautiful M3. Lots of M3s. Is that a Countach? No, it's in Sprite. Do you want to spin round and go back at the top and find somewhere to park?
Yeah. Do it. Drink.
Yeah. So hot. Wow. There's quite a variety here, isn't there? I know they said it was a classic. There's definitely classics here, but a bit of everything. here it is, people. Broadway Classic Motor Show. Roll the montage. Oh my word, this suit is gonna need to be surgically removed from me by the time I get in. Considering this morning I was regretting not bringing a hoodie, it has got very, very warm all of a sudden. Paid £4.50 for a can of Coke. Absolute extortion. Well, that was pretty successful, peeps. Lots of very cool cars. Definitely classic themed. Lots of Austins, lots of Morgans. Wow, you've seen it all, haven't you? How was the montage? Worth it? I definitely need to get the air conditioning on though, so national speed limits, here we come. Suit open. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll probably end it here, to be fair, unless anything super exciting happens. I haven't got much battery left, so if something super exciting does happen, I might not be able to film it. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know if there's any shows or events you want me to go to. And hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Ciao!